In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Shopify website to Pinterest. So the first order of business is you need to make sure that you have a Pinterest business account. And thankfully, putting your Pinterest account to business is actually relatively simple. So you want to go ahead and head over to Pinterest like you normally would, go to this left menu, and then press over here where it says settings and support. Then please select on settings one more time, and then select on account management. You're then going to see this section that says convert to a business account. And all you need to do is you need to press on convert account, then select on upgrade. And what's really cool is that you're able to upgrade to business flawlessly, and you don't need to, like, for example, pay for a subscription or anything like that. And then from here, you need to describe your business. So let's say you're a content creator. Go ahead and press on that. And then you want to put in your business name, put in your region, and put in your website, or you can select over here if you don't have a website. And then go ahead and put in your business goals just like this. And then make sure to describe the main focus of your brand. Press on done. And then what's really cool is that Pinterest can actually help you out a lot. So whether you're trying to share ideas, grow your audience, or showcase your brand, that is all something that you're able to go ahead and do. And then afterwards, it is going to bring you back to the Pinterest account settings, and it's going to look very similar to the personal settings, but there are a few differences. So anyways, to begin actually linking Shopify to Pinterest, go to the left menu one more time, and then you're going to see this option that says link to Pinterest. And when we do that, you are now going to have this option that says Shopify. So you're able to add your name and profile picture to pins from your Shopify store and automatically connect your catalog and install the Pinterest tag. So you can press over here where it says learn more. If you want more details, I always suggest looking at this right over here, just so you know exactly what you're getting yourself into. And I do think that it is a pretty good system. Anyways, what you want to do is you want to press on install app right over here. And the way it works is that you need to install Pinterest for Shopify. So please go ahead and do that. And of course, that does mean that you will need to have created a Shopify account before. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly log into mine. All right, so once you are signed into your Pinterest account, it's going to ask you to verify right over here. So please go ahead and press on install just like so. And you are now going to have Pinterest underneath this section that says sale channel, and you're able to go ahead and get started, begin using Pinterest and stuff like that. They also do provide you with multiple video guides as well. So if you want like more details and stuff like that, then here they do have all the different resources. All right, so then from here, you're able to get started with Pinterest. You're able to go ahead and use it to better your business and get better results. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.